everybody. I wanted to share my project. I thought the easiest way to do that would be through a video. I built my course in Canvas, and so mine might look a little bit different than some of yours. I'm just going to go over here to modules, and I'm going to go to the specific assignment where most of my learning was around. One of the first things that I needed to learn to do, I wanted the groups to build something or work on something that's in Google Docs, but I've had a lot of trouble with people opening a file and then not understanding that they need to make a copy of it, even if it says make a copy of this document. So one of the first things I discovered was how to force a copy. So when you click on that, they actually can't even open the original. The only thing that they can see is this make a copy. So that was one of the first things I learned how to do. And once I'm in there, I can show you how that works. So the way to do that, let's say that this was my original document. Up here in the URL, if you just copy that whole URL and then you paste it, but you take this edit out and you change it to the word copy, and then you can then copy that whole URL again. That is now your link. So anytime somebody clicks on that, it will force a copy of that document. So that's how that one works. And then within the document, one of the things that I have them doing is they are supposed to highlight areas of literacy that they're able to find. So I show them where the highlight is. They can choose their highlight color. I'll just use yellow. And they're supposed to go through this scenario and highlight where they're finding components of literacy. So we are going to highlight this. We said, share an idea with a partner. So I'm going to highlight that yellow. Oops, sorry. Get that highlighted here. So now that that's highlighted, the other thing that I can also do, and I've added this to mine as well, is I'm going to ask them to leave comments, and they have to now link this to the actual standard. So if I scroll down here, it will give me a link to where those standards are. But I'm going to say I have that document open. I've done a little bit of research, and I think that this is now connecting to the speaking and listening standard for kindergarten with the first idea. And then here's the other thing that I've discovered that I'm going to be adding. You can actually provide links within those comments. So the way to do it, I want it to link to this. This is just from Iowa Core. So it's going to link to this page. So I'm going to go up here and I'm going to copy that URL. I'm going to go back to Google. So that's where I typed. If I do a plus sign and then I add the URL, I'm going to click comment. So now when somebody goes back to read through this, like for me, as example, as the instructor, I could actually click on a link within a comment. So again, the way you do that is just you click the plus sign and then put the actual link in. You can also link things like assigning it to somebody by putting the plus sign and then that person's name, or the @ symbol and then that person's name. And then they're also sent an email letting them know that there's been a comment assigned to them within a document. So that's some of the things that I learned within this Google Doc. So that forced copy, and then utilizing the comment features and being able to link within the comment features. So the rest of my class, I'll just go back to my modules. So this is what my class looks like as a whole. So each one of these modules lasts about a week. And keep in mind, I've been building this for a while now, so this isn't just from this particular OLLI course. But each individual module lasts a week, and the participants are aware of that, so you'll see the due dates are all spread out about a week apart. The entire module is due on the Sunday, and that's what it looks like in Canvas. So thanks a lot. Bye.